Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year to everyone. My name is Ghost and this is our first recording for the year. Now we're taking on a qualification for a hit called PAA Answer Defects, the Japanese version. Now for this one, it should be an easy hit. We just have to read the question and answer, judge if the passage answered the question and is the answer well formed. Now, since this one is in Japanese version, we have to use Google Translate. So let me pull that up. So from here, what kind of plane does Breeze Airways use? Breeze Airlines launches with I'm not sure how to pronounce that. 190 fleets after launch, and by the end of 2021, the airline will deliver a 20. Okay, does the passage answer the question? Yes. Is the answer well formed? No, because you have this thing here. So let's submit it. Give it a shot. Yep, we got it right. Moving on to the next, let's translate it. What centrifugal force does for golfers? The non-value added steps consist of moving the client, preparing the day before entering details. This is no, but the answer is well formed. Yep. For this one, where can I find a fault aid? If you cannot find a support device or adapted device that supports the failure, please feel free to contact us. We specialize in customizing. This is definitely a no. A no as well. Okay, we got one mistake. The the answers the question but is not well formed. Okay, let's agree to it. Where can I find the MVI's stock bulletin board? More discussion of microvision technology and stocks prices. See Reddit Mavis bulletin board. This is a yes, but it's not well formed. I hope we got it right. Okay, two mistakes, guys. Does not answer. That's fine. Moving on. What are the health benefits of eating mango daily? Robato. What's robato? I'm not sure what robato is. Uh, let's see. Let's do a Google search. Oh, I'm not sure what robato is. Let's try to go to Google. I think I don't have internet connection. By the way, guys, while waiting for this one, okay, I think it's loading. While waiting for this one to load, hey, robato fruit? I'm not sure what robato is. Is it mango? While waiting for this one, guys, our Facebook group name is Ghostly or ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. You can join us there. You have to subscribe to our channel, tutorial channel first, before we can welcome you there and answer the relevant membership questions. So I'm not sure about this. I'm gonna go with no, and I'm gonna go with no as well. Answer the question, but it's not well formed. Okay, because I do not know what robato is. That's the problem with working with different languages. How much does the cafeteria sell? Most useful oldest. I haven't traveled to Manchester, Indiana. It's definitely a no, but a yes. I passed the Indonesian version for this, and it does take a while to finish up loading. We got it right. I hope we don't make any other mistakes. If we do, then we are going to fail it. Moving on. Who are the doctors working at Genesis Care? In two centers, work in two centers, work in two centers, work in two centers. Who are centers? This is a no, and definitely a no as well. What is the meaning of Raksha Bandhan? Many greetings to all the compatriots on this island. Today is also the festival of Raksha Bandhan, this centuries old tradition. It's a yes. It's a yes. Okay, does not answer the question. I've got so many mistakes here. I hope we pass it. What did Charlie Ward say about fake news? This is a no, and this one is a yes. What is the U.S. Department of Defense cyber strategy? Specifically, death certificates or underlying cause of death in diabetes? Definitely no, but a yes. Come on. All right. Well, we still passed the qualification, guys. Uh, Let me show it to you. There you go. Let's me go ahead and click on OK. So again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you soon again on the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.